Hello all, this is good morning everyone. Today is Monday and right now it's 12:29. Basically, um, I have I have reorganized this currencies as per we go. So in the CADJPY, I am waiting for the 4 hours candlestick to weak into this area of interest and the candlestick closer on this box. That is what I'm waiting for to take the sell trade to the downside. The second is the AUDCAD. I am literally was interested to take the sell trade, but then I was like, no, this is not a good trade to take the sell trade. I'm waiting for the break and retest of the 4 hours, and the third thing is I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure below this box. Then I can able to take the sell trade to the downside. Odd and ZD on the other hand, it looks like we are missing this trade, but I am waiting for the candlestick closer on the box and weak into the AMA. That is what I'm waiting for to take the sell trade to downside. CHF looks like we this is not doing the things which I wanted. I was waiting for the candlestick closure to the downside. I am waiting for the candlestick closure on a daily basis, but on the 4 hours we shifted to the bullish, so I am like kind of lost the interest. I was waiting for the 4 hours candlestick closure on this box, which haven't happened. It gone above it, so which just lost the interest, but will still keep in the loop until and unless 4 hours get bearish. Now we'll see on intraday. What I'm waiting for on the intraday, I was waiting for the 4 hours candlestick closure on the box. Over here we can see, so which haven't happened, which close above this. I am not interested now. I am also 4 hours got bullish. I'm waiting for 4 hours to shift of structure to bearish. EURJPY, we're doing the things which we wanted to do. 1 hour candlestick closure on the area of interest. Yeah, we do actually close on the area of interest, but the 1 hour shifted bullish, which certainly I have lost interest in this. I am waiting for 1 hour to do like this. I want this candlestick to close like this, next candlestick to weak into this EMA, and then shift of structure downside, then candlestick closes below, and then retracement and take the sell trade to the downside. This is तुझी अंघोळ झाली का? नाही करायची आहे. ते मैयाजी बरोबर जा बरं, जातो लगेच सेतूमध्ये आपले पण डॉक्युमेंट देऊन या. ऑनलाईन राशन कार्ड करा, जर ते ऑपरेशन ठरलं तर लागेल ते. बरं लगेच जातो. नुसते द्यायचे हो डॉक्युमेंट सगळे तयार झाले. बरं बरं. So basically I'm waiting for the 1 hour to do this, 1 hour to shift of structure. If it don't do, it literally looks good for taking the sell trade to the downside enough, but I am actually, it just looks so good because if the candlestick close like this, we could take the sell trade to downside, but the 15 minute is creating the higher high and higher low, but you have created the lower low. I will stick into the point. I want this to happen, shift of structure to downside. When this happens, then I can able to take the trade. Either else I will not be able to take the trade. This looks beautiful, this engulfing candle. Damn. But the 30 minute is bullish. Also we have the engulfing, we can take the trade to the downside. We are also going below the EMA. I mean, this looks good. If the candlestick close like this within 1 minute, but how in the world we can take the sell trade if 30 minute is bullish? uh, I wanted to take the high probability trades, and this is not the high probability trade. I want this to happen, weak into the EMA, and then close to the downside, shift of structure to the bearish. Then I can able to take the sell trade. Either or, I'm helpless. I just can't be able to take the trade, but it looks good. It literally looks good. It literally looks good to take the sell trade, but on the higher time frame, I know this has to shift of structure to the downside. You know what? Eh, fuck it. But as per the price action, it must continue to go to downside. But as per the rules, it must do shift of structure to the downside. काय ग? हा एकच मिनिटात जाव. हो एकच मिनिटात जाऊ. In the euro, I'm waiting for the break and retest of the 4 hours. Euro USD for tomorrow's trade, I'm waiting for this candlestick to close like this, then we'll see. GBP USD, I'm waiting for the candlestick close to the downside. GJ candlestick close to the downside. Intraday, I'm waiting for this candlestick to close above. EURJPY candlestick to close below. And the AUDUSD, this is still loading. Candlestick to close below. That's it. We'll come back.